Hello, Aquarius. See, in a Libra reading, I couldn't find my glasses. I had to use a substitute. Now I find my glasses. So I feel like, Aquarius, maybe you didn't look for anything, or maybe that's what the... Aquarius. Now, we can also jump to the conclusion, Aquarius. Good morning. Bonjour. That maybe you want to give somebody two of something. I feel like you want somebody to hold on their stuff so that you can provide. I was looking for it, I couldn't find it. Okay, anyways, Chris, this is your channeled messages. All right, let's go. Going straight in, we ain't saying nothing. We got a Y coming up. I heard Yannick. Yannick or Yannick? A Y. We got a 0. 0 degrees Celsius. Because we don't know what Fahrenheit is. Fahrenheit? What is Fahrenheit? That is how far the plane goes when you're high in the sky going to foreign. What is that? What is that? What is that? No, I'm not from here. I'm an immigrant. We have a 9 coming out. So 9 is about endings, okay? I hear torment. Okay? 9. 9 is the number for endings. So maybe somebody want torment you until you try to end, end yourself, end your career, end your life. Them kill him life. Look how them kill him life. Okay? So, I don't know. We got a T coming out. Now, I also know that YT is YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Bumbleclot, more say something. I don't know. So who in a YouTube dealings? Is it Google? Is it Google and YouTube? Or is it two different organizations? Either way, yesterday I have just this problem, this issue, this troubleshoot. What's a troubleshoot issue? No IT guy anywhere in sight. I couldn't find one IT guy to help me. For the children. I mean, a problem with my Google thing yesterday. I don't know how Google, I don't know. Then Google fire a lot of people. How Google fire a lot of people, and it was so fucking easy for me to do what I needed to do yesterday. Google me impressed, but I don't have the latest technology, alright? I don't have a Samsung phone, I don't have an Apple phone. We all use one or the two accounts. Is either you're going to use Google accounts or you're going to use iCloud. I'm a nah lie. Did they fire? I think it's them, or was it Twitter? Yeah, January 22, 23, Google CEO Sundar Pichai announced the fire of 12,000 employees globally. Well, I not said it good, I not said it bad, but all I say is, last night Google, when I needed to get into my Google, you guys offered me a very, very, very secure and a very, very convenient alternative. I was impressed. I was flabbergasted. I did not know that the Google technicians knew how to do that. Here I was searching the internet. G-O-O-G-E, the O-O, the glasses. Was minding my business. Couldn't get into my Google. Didn't know what to do. Didn't know who to call. It was a Sunday night. Who do I call? Which customer service? And the ambulance don't work on Sunday nights. Either way, was very impressed. Me getting fast. Yeah, so WT is actually YouTube. Tomorrow is YouTube's birthday. Okay, today's the 13th. Yes, we say it's the 13th is so-called a bad lucky day. Monday the 13th, you know what that mean? Book and pencil. It mean book and pencil. It mean uniform. It mean fresh day of school. We're starting over the 13th fresh. We're allow me to reintroduce myself. Yeah, reintroduce the 13. I want to them. Yeah, but YT shorts. Or YouTube birthday tomorrow, the 14th. For those of you who don't have any Valentine, just like me, I would be in my bed. I will be watching YouTube. YouTube will be comforting me tomorrow. I'm standing in the front porch with a box full of chocolate, 2 dozen roses. Happy Valentine's Day. I go it anyway. She's my first girlfriend. What can I say? Happy Valentine's Day. She likes all my friends. What can I say? Happy Valentine's Day. Okay, so yes, pick up YouTube. Big for the clean self. My birthday is tomorrow, falling on Valentine's Day. I hope that the CEO of YouTube makes sure say him have a lot of red petals tomorrow, being that YouTube color is red. Let's go. We got cover. All right, something is a cover. You get me horny. Okay. So with a cover, you get me horny. This can be 3 things. Okay. This can be 1. Somebody's attracted to the sex that they're not saying that they're attracted to. Okay. This can also be someone is hiding under the scenes, hiding under the blinds. They're hiding. I don't want you to see them. Because someone is very, 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 very infatuated with you, apparently. Okay. Somebody may be undercover working as something, someone, being somewhere when they're really, them have a totally different title. But the fact is, them very, very, very much like you. They're very fond of you, okay? Maybe somebody want to carry you out for the Valentine's Day. I don't know. With cover and you get my horny, obviously somebody's concealing their emotions. Someone's concealing how erected they get when they're around you. We have alcohol. Okay, so this could be somebody don't want you know that them have to be intoxicated before they sleep with you. So I guess if you're out with this person, maybe that's the reason why they need you for drink. Now the drinking can be a cover, so you can drink to be horny, okay? But this can also be somebody may feel more relaxed. I get the sense of somebody heart beating so fucking fast. Like somebody maybe wants to invite you out, ask you to go somewhere. The thing is though, alcohol will be involved, okay? Maybe that they need alcohol to bring them down, to relax them, so them don't feel like them up over you, all into you. But I never met a person who was on alcohol and them never had like sexual control. I see people smoke weed and have sexual control, like myself, and other people want to say cool, but I don't know. I don't know. Again, maybe somebody can't get it up, them can't get horny, they need alcohol in order for make them feel scintillating before they can do the deed. Maybe that's something somebody don't want you know, so they want you to drink with them just to cover it. So yeah, there's something about somebody need alcohol in their system, okay? We have Gemini coming up. Okay, so the twins. This could also be... I'm really getting that you have been sleeping with twins. I'm getting Aquarius. We just pulled Gemini. Either somebody sleeping with somebody's sister or somebody asleep with somebody's twin. Now, if you're highly intoxicated, you may not even realize. Also, I'm seeing cover you, get me horny, alcohol, and Gemini. So again, feel like somebody like you. Them like you a lot. Maybe somebody met you while they was intoxicated, and then when they came down, they're like, I can't get this person off my head. Okay? Maybe that was the cover. The cover was to make it look like you were a person who likes to drink and have sex. So you like to be highly intoxicated before you know. Now somebody could be telling a Gemini this, or the Gemini is the one who gave this information, who's saying that this person drinks a lot, they love alcohol, or they're covering the fact that they drink alcohol. You have to cover the fact that you drink alcohol. Look, much people are the worst things out there in life. You afraid to say you drink alcohol? Yeah, we have crazy. Oh, because it's going to make you look like you crazy? Maybe somebody want you to get crazy. You get Maharni crazy. Like when them do the girl at Willowdale shelter. Hmm? When them slip her something in her drink and put the girl on her knee while she drunk and fuck her around the back in front of the big wall. What do you call that? What do you call that? The trailer thing. On her knee, rub out the whole girl knee. Right? Fuck her on her knee while she drunk. Then thief every blood clot thing from her. Thief her documents, thief her, not her documents, thief her ID, thief her bank account, thief her phone, every blood clot thing. So that the more, I'm gonna know them roofie her and them give her something because she act too weird. So maybe somebody wanted you to look like you're crazy. Like the other cocky him ass lover, right? The last person over there dates, right? Him go supermarket and never take up one bottle of wine. So me is like, alright, cool. Because him say him not drink, me not drink, me not a drinker. Me not drink, me not a drinker. No, any picture you see me with liquor is in the past. You have not catch me with liquor in my hand at least for the past 3 years. Show me. Alright, 2 years. Coming to go out. Feel like somebody want to make you crazy. They want to get you intoxicated. Not high. Because probably somebody study you. Somebody probably say that you can hold everything except liquor. They want to rob you while you're under the influence. Make them fuck off. Don't drink with them. Girl, them are your enemy. Don't yam from them. Can't mind baby. She run go and have them. Right? She can't even mind the baby. She can't even take care of herself good. She gonna have baby and she can't even take care of the baby. But you want the status. Oh, you want it so you can show off to all the other girls who aborted their babies. All the other girls who had miscarriages, all the other girls who were still waiting for their Prince Charming, for their Aladdin to show up. She run down a baby. For what? For hype on you? For hype on you clean gun? Girl, you're alright. You have time to yourself. You're not preying on baby right now. Baby ease have come. They don't know that. Did they not know that, Aquarius? Babies are easy to get. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Maybe delivering them and the whole expenses you have to pay after the babies, that's what going to lick you, right? Baby easy to get. Easy to get. Want you go there, you can find any man. Any man, even if you're not picky. Enough people take sperm donor, sperm from bank. And enough murderer and killer and child molester and pedophile come give them sperm because they need money. Because society not fuck with them. And enough of them people here read the documents and give them sperm for a baby. These so-called independent women who don't want a man. We're gonna talk. Because we all know that you will never know the truth when it comes down to that. Them can't just give you anything. Them can't give you anything. Anyone own. Now you want hype on people and say, baby, girl, baby easy for kids. Baby easy for time. You know a cycle, you can time it. Easy. Easy to get pregnant. Easy to get a man. You think sex easy? You think sex hard to get? Sex not hard to get. But people say, yeah, you can say that. You can say that. No, me, I tell you. I'm telling you what it is. Because I'm there with enough ugly man and then give me bun. So I know it's easy to get. Because how you gonna score me? Then you're ugly. Then you score somebody else? No. They're getting away with too much. No. You can't ugly. And you fuck up, you have a fuck up attitude. You're an AH, you're an asshole, and you're ugly. But the personality is nice. Can't have baby, she'll run down and have them. So what she have them for spite you because you don't have a baby? Or because you don't have any baby anymore? That's okay, that's fine. Don't worry. All is cool, all is well. Let's go again. I hear rainfall. There's something about rainfall, okay? Yeah, we have the High Priestess coming out, okay? So Pisces energy. High priestess energy also, okay? We have fate. So somebody fate being a high priestess. Maybe I am the fake high priestess. You will never know. Maybe I will. We have a red rum. Here we go. So basically somebody have fake. Okay, so fake and red rum. We know red rum, which is number 13. The 13th curse. Today is Monday the 13th. But for red rum backwards is M-U-R-D-E-R. It's murder. It's staged. So if somebody want to stage a high priestess murder, I hear rat poison. Somebody want to put rat poison in your food or in your drink or in your soup. Somebody may be grating up chunks of rat poison for kill you. This could also be somebody faked the high priestess death. This can be the high priestess that was fake, but really she or he is in hiding. Because if it said fake murder, it's fake. If it's fake red rum, that means either the person who them kill is not the person who them was supposed to kill, but them planting the evidence there, or somebody want to plant evidence on you. The high priestess may have taken the fall for many crimes. Probably hears to the high priestess rob, commit fraud, intercepting lines, stab up somebody. The heirs to the high priestess are all of these things. Them a stab, them a rob, them a forged signature, them in a dealings with bank. The high priestess was used as a cover. The man, they don't have him woman in him country already what look like him, but both of them speak together, they speak the same language, and them do them dirty stinking criminal activities together and use the immigrant as the cover. You are my everything, yeah, but faked in the same color. So somebody tries to distract you, you know, while them have them other thing and go on. Yeah, we have heart, we have incubus, demon, that's a demonic energy, that's the cover, and we have joy coming out again. Now the high priestess and the incubus is in the same color. And to me, that is an oxymoron. That's an oxymoron to me. Because why would a high priestess have incubus energy? Is it that the high priestess asleep with incubus? Haven't we all slept with incubus energies? No. Some of we actually had it really good. Or there's a lot of incubus energy gravitating to the high priestess. Because once you start vibrate high enough, Aquarius, when you vibrate high, you got attract people like magnets. Like when we read Terra Massage Channel. Every minute a spirit want to come in. Every minute a spirit wants to say something. Somebody want to say something. I have to be like, hold the fuck up, man. Like, give me some time now. Let me talk about this now. You just gravitate to you. Everybody want to talk through you. Everybody want to have sex with you. You're the high priestess. You're the genie pussy. And you grant magic wishes. You want the high priestess heart. They want to fake it that make you kill off yourself so them can take your organs. For them organ donating stuff. Where them sign your name on. Yeah, we have sound. And we have the emperor. So somebody may speak up on this. Somebody may feel like, yo, this has been happening for too long. So let's talk now, okay? Something about somebody fake at it, them fake at it. Or maybe the high priestess thought you were dead. We have dead president. Okay. I feel like somebody thought that you were faking maybe spiritual gifts. Or you were faking something when it comes on to them, Aquarius. I feel like because somebody did not believe you, it will lead to them demise. Or it will lead to them murder. I feel like you gave somebody blueprints, you gave them the plan. You gave them everything that they needed to do. and them choose either for not follow it or them choose for say that they're more mighty than God. So them are gonna do it the way them want to do it. I feel like it will lead to them death. I also feel like there may have been instructions, Aquarius, that you were supposed to follow. And we can't talk about being a part of the simulation. Because if you're not part of the simulation, you're not doing what everybody else around you doing. Them going to outcast you. Them going to make it feel like it's hard for you for, well, it's like hard for come up in life. People are going to bully you. Nobody not going to want to be your friend. You're going to be alone all the time. But also I feel like there may have been specific instructions written down, like documents, that before you came here somewhere, it says that this is what you're going to need to do. This. And I feel like you never got that document. Maybe somebody hid it from you because they didn't want you to complete your bucket list. Maybe the end of you completing this would give a big reward. So somebody didn't even tell you. If they omit the information, you cannot be charged. You are not liable. Just like if they make a sign prenup and them never discuss anything with you, you still have to get half of everything. Them can't make a sign prenup and not tell you. Fucker. Make a sign prenup. And don't tell them nothing, don't tell them nothing about it. Don't even say, oh. I feel like them want to come scam you. You have to get half of everything, every blood clot thing, table and chair. I'll chair on one half, cut it in two, we'll take one side, cut the table in two, one half of every blood clot thing. Give me the 4 tire them on the truck. Everything I want half of every blood clot thing. Them can't that. That is misinformation, that is fraud. I'm going to leave it here, Aquarius, alright? I feel like there's going to be a dead president. Until next time, Meta.